You are listening to No Weather Radio Station WXN 69, Sister Bay, your best source for weather information for Door County in the Lake Shore. The current time is 11:04 a.m. Central Standard Time. Here are the 10 a.m. observations. At Sturgeon Bay, it was cloudy. The temperature was 42 degrees, the dew point was 42, bringing the relative humidity to 82%. The wind was south at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 32, and the This is a required weekly test from the National Weather Service in Green Bay. The tone that you just heard was a test of the warning alarm tone, which normally precedes the broadcast of emergency messages. This is a required weekly test for NOAA weather radio stations. WXJ 89 Wausau, KIG 65 Green Bay, WXN 69 Sister Bay, WWG 88 Crandon, WWF 40 Coloma, WNG 552 New London, KC2XBC Gresham, WNG 553 Wasaki, and WNG 565 Rhinelander. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. or noon. When severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over the set of NOAA weather radio stations will normally be activated for watches and warnings that affect these 9 NOAA weather radio stations in central, north central, and northeast Wisconsin. For a complete listening of the frequencies, transmitters, or the counties that they serve, please call the National Weather Service office in Green Bay at 920-494-2363 and select option number 7. This list is also available on the internet at weather.gov/grb. You can also find us on our Facebook and Twitter pages. This concludes the test of the warning alarm tone for this week. We now return to regular programming. Here are the 10 a.m. observations. At Sturgeon Bay, it was cloudy. The temperature was 42 degrees, the dew point was 42, bringing the relative humidity to 82%. The wind was south at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 32, and the barometric pressure was at 29.50.